Want to know how to change your password in Best Buy? So security is really simple but really important while you shop as well for your payment information. So if you think something is fishy and you want to change your password, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So if you want more of our Best Buy videos to help you out, we have also created some in our channel, so make sure to watch it. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here with your name, just simply like that. And here you should be seeing my account, just simply head towards account settings. So once you're on account settings, you can just simply scroll down a little bit, and here you should be seeing change password below email address. So you can just simply type in your current password once, and then just simply type in a new password, and then make sure you confirm it, and make sure your password is super strong this time, and then select save. So once that is done, your password should be saved and you should be good to go, and you should be logged out from every devices. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.